Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about computer aided process synthesis, unit number 5, energy integrated distillation process. In a previous lecture में આપણે વેપર રિકમ્પ્રેશન રિબોઇલર અને હીટ પમ્પિંગ વિશે જોઈ ગયા હતા. તો લાસ્ટ ટોપિક જોઈ લઈએ આપણે હીટ એન્જિન અને હીટ પમ્પ્સ. ઓકે, શોર્ટકટમાં ત્રણ વખત 4 માર્ક્સમાં પૂછી શકાય છે. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ આપણે હીટ એન્જિન અને હીટ પમ્પ્સ. Now, in the previous section, a refrigeration cycle referred to as a heat pump and was introduced as one of the alternative to permit the overhead vapor from a distillation tower to be condensed by vaporizing to the bottom liquid in a heat exchanger. Simply, which is a part of the condenser, simply is a heating part. Now the condensed simply collect to a bottom of the part. Okay, this is the cooling section part. Okay, this is a vapor recompression. Simply જે previous section માં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા a refrigeration cycle referred to as a heat pump. Okay, જે above figure છે તે આપણે જોઈએ. This is a part for a reboiler flashings. Okay, heat pumping, recompressors. This is the bottom of the part. Okay, and the was introduced in as one of the alternative permit the overhead vapor from a distillation tower to condense vaporizing bottoms a liquid in a heat exchanger also part. Okay, this design is preferable when the saving in the cost of utilities for a condensation and a boiling and the purchase cost of the heat exchanger are greater than the cost of operations and installation of a compressor. It illustrates the use of the heat and power integrations to achieve a more profitable design. Simply, the objective of this section. Okay, what is the objective? જે એના પર આપણે કામ કરવાના છે. ઓકે, જેના બેઝિસ પર આપણે અલગ અલગ મેથડ્સ હોય એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે કામ કરવાનું છે, જે હીટ એન્જિન અને હીટ પંપનું છે. Simply, consider the general role of a heat engine. જે રીતે આપણે સિમ્પલી રોલ ઓફ કોમ્પ્યુટર જોઈ ગયા હતા, રોલ ઓફ કેમિકલ એન્જિનિયરિંગ જોઈ ગયા હતા, which convert heat to the soft work and heat pumps is satisfying the heating, cooling, power demand within a chemical processes. In other words, after the source and target temperatures of the stream to be heated and cooled have been established together with the power requirement for the pump and compressors. Okay, after the source and target temperature of the stream to be heated and cooled have been established together with the power requirement for a pump and compressors. And then a heat exchanger, heat engine, heat pumps are installed to satisfy this demand in a profitable manners. The section being with two example that so typically process for which the demand need to be satisfied. Then some of the important consideration is positioning heat engine and heat pumps are considered this topic heat engine and heat pumps regarding. Okay, now positioning heat engine and heat pumps. This is the last topic in this chapter. When process have significant power demand, usually in a compressor load, it is normally to be sound practice to operate and near the minimum utilities for a heating and a cooling માટે. This is because the analyzed cost is dominated often by the operating and capital cost associated with satisfying this power demand, given the desirability of operating this process at a minimum utilities 1000 and Linhoff જે આપણે ડેરિવેશન્સના પાર્ટ જોઈ ગયા હતા QH અને QCના ઓકે હોટ અને કોલ્ડ ફેઝ માટે એ તો ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ બી આપણે ડિસ્કસ કર્યું છે ઓલ ટોપિક okay which one of the 1000 and the Linhoff scientists make recommendations for concerning the positioning of the heat engine and a heat pump relative to the pinch point also discussed in the next topic. In a figure 10.48 માં જોઈશું આપણે કે show the temperature interval from the streams to be heated and cooled in a chemical processes separated into two sections above A and below C. The pinch temperature Tp is considered the three alternative for positioning a typical heat engine as shown in a figure part 10.49 જે અલગ અલગ ફિગર આપી છે. This is a alternative for the placement of the heat engine in a TP and across TP, above TP, across TP and below TP. ત્રણ વસ્તુ જોઈ લો અને draw this schematic diagram figure in your notebook for positioning heat engine and heat pumping. The first one is above TP, across TP, then above TP, second one, and third one is below TP. Okay, the figure 10.48 show the temperature interval streams to be heated and cooled in a chemical processes separated into two section part below and above. The pinch temperature Tp. Consider the three alternative for positioning a typical heat engine as shown in a figure. The latter is a cooled cycle in which condensate at a T1 and TPC is pumped to T2 and PB and sent to a boiler part where it leaves a superheated vapor at a T3 and PB. The boiler influence is expanded across a turbine or to T4 and PC. Before it is condensed, the net heat energy QB minus QC is converted to the net power is out and in. Typically at a thermodynamic efficiency, see section 9.7 of about 35%, returning of figure 10.48 where the heat engine is poisoned above the pinch to satisfy the demand for hot utilities. QB is required by this boiler and the net power produced is W out, neglecting the small power requirement of the pump. Hence the W out is produced by adding the equivalent heat of QHU in a figure 10.48C in where the heat engine is poisoned below the pinch point. The heat that would be rejected to the cold utilities and hot utilities. Is sent to the boiler and recovered from the turbine and the remainder is rejected to the cold utilities part. The alternative to these two placements in a figure 10.48b has the heat engine accepting the heat above the pinch and rejecting the below the pinch point as shown in the figure. So in a completely. Okay, this is a diagram for above TP, below TP, and across the TP for a heat engine and a heat pumping માટે છે. For a positioning for a heat engine and a heat pumping is a figure 10.49 heat engine part. Draw in your book. For a QB in and out section part for a boiler, pump, condenser, and a turbine. Okay, now the heat and power integrations part, the figure is a heat engine. The total utilities above the pinch are incremented by the QB, and below the pinch the cold utilities are in incremented by the QB minus W out. Is clearly when the heat engine is positioning across the pinch, both the hot and cold utilities load are incremented when the cost of fuel is high. Is configurations is less profitable than the configurations with the heat engine entirely above the below the pinch point. Similarly, three alternative for positionings heat pump relative to the pinch are the shown in figure. A typically heat pump is shown in a figure where a saturated vapor at T1 and Pb is compressed to T2 and P2, T2 and Pc, and condensed by rejecting its heat. Often the environment was possibilities to be the boiler of another heat pumping. At a lower temperature and pressure, the condenser influent at a T3 and Pc is expanded across a valve to reduce in a pressure, temperature, heat pumping, heat engine also. For T4 and Pb, where the flushing sum of the liquid. Okay, so now show in again flow diagram. For alternative for the placement of a heat pump માટે above TP, below TP, and across TP જોઈ લો. Okay, now the discussion is there. Similarly part, the three alternative positioning for a heat pump relative to pinch are shown in figure 10.50 માં આપણે જોયું. A typical heat pump is shown in a figure 10.51 also, where saturated vapor at T1 and Pb is compressed to T2 and Pc and condensed by rejecting its heat often to the environment, but possibly to the boiler of another heat pump at a lower temperature and pressures. The temperature to T4 and Pb, while the flushing sum of the liquid, the remaining liquid is vaporized in the boiler in a figure 10.50c, where the heat pumping and a positions across the pinch and the heat is removed from the temperature interval below the pinch and rejected to the temperature interval above the pinch point, causing reductions in both the hot and cold utilities. Load buts expense of shaft work. Alternatively, when the heat pump is positioned above the pinch, as in this section part above one figure, 10.50a is the comparison of load in a work W in reduce the hot utilities. The load by this amount but does not reduce the cold utilities. For a load below the pinch axis, in this case is expensive power is converted directly to less valuable. The heat to reduce the hot utilities load. Finally, when the heat pumping is a poisonous below the pinch, as in a figure 10.50b, its comparison load in increases the cold utility load by the same amount without affecting the hot utility. Clearly, this is less desirable than when the heat pumping is positioning across the pinch, where both the hot and cold utilities are decreases. In summary, to hysteresis result. Okay. So thank you so much.